Welcome back to this channel, guys. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're already an existing person, you're welcome all the same. So I'm going to be showing us a very few trick on how you can get more boxes on your CryptoBox. I'm very excited when I talk about this CryptoBox thing. Since I got to know about it, it has been awesome, so I'm going to show us a few tricks. And just before I forget, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Hit the notification bell so you can get videos like this. You'll be the first to get it whenever I open or release a new video. So without much further ado, let's jump into it. So this is Binance app right here already. Don't worry about the network, is going to come on. So right now, when you're on live, you tend to want to cancel a live and then jump into another live, but I'm just going to show us a few tricks on why you shouldn't really cancel one live. You can just do something that would make you seamlessly go into another live even though you're on a previous live before. So I'm just going to show us right now. Sorry, my network is not really responding right here, but let's see what we can do. Let me just quickly change my network to my mobile. All right, so I'm changing my network to my mobile. One thing you need to know about this Binance CryptoBox thing is that maybe later in future there will be an investor who wants to really invest in one of this cryptocurrency, and you might be very lucky to be among those who is going to hit it big time when such happens. That's why I'm always saying that get as much coins, as much crypto coins as much as you can. Get them in your wallet, because you never can tell in the future what will happen. Right here now, this is my screen. So if you look at my top left hand side of my screen right here, where you can see total balance, you can see I have $3.03. all right, it wasn't like that before. It was 0.00. all right, so the crypto box that the crypto I've been taking from the rewards I've been getting in the crypto box has made it enter 3.03. all right, and this is just within I think 6 days now. So why you can do the same as well. You can do the same. So let me just show us what I've been saying. Now you scroll down, you come to this page, it takes you, and then you click on Binance Live. So once you click on Binance Live, it brings you right here where the magic happens. So these are people Binance is recommending for you to join, but me, I don't use that. I rather come down here. I usually come to Tunkay whenever it's online. I pretty much love Tunkay. I'm on Tunkay's live, and maybe it's boring for me. Maybe I don't want to really continue with this live. I just want to jump into another live where I know things are happening. Instead of me to just exit, you can see the X sign, this termination sign here. I'm not going to do so. Rather, I'm going to press the minimize button, this other sign right here. So I'm going to press that. So I'm pressing that right now. You can see that right now my 2K live has been minimized. This is it right here, this one. Okay, so but I want to jump into another live. Remember, I didn't exit, I only minimized it. So I want to jump into, say I want to come into Priya. I click on Priya. It's going to give me this notification, so I'm just going to click on confirm. So voila, I am on Priya's live. So remember, I'm on a previous live, which is 2K's live. I didn't exit, I only minimized it. But right here I'm on Priya's live, okay, and nothing is happening. So I want to quickly go back to 2K's live and see what is going on. So instead of me exiting it, I'm not going to exit. Also, I'm going to click on the minimize button. You can see I've minimized it. This is it right here. So I'm just going to go back now to 2K. So now the reason for this seamless the reason for this trick is because if I click on 2K now, it's just going to be easy, it's just I just need to click on the confirm button and it takes me right here, straight up. I'm right back at his live, I'm right back at his live, and I'm getting the bonuses and everything, the rewards that he's dropping, and so as other guests. So that's the trick. And I don't want to, let's assume I don't want to continue with him. I want to jump straight into Prior's live. I just come back to Prior's live. Okay, click on Prior's live already. I just click on confirm, and then boom, I'm into Prior's live already. So what's the difference now? The difference is, if I had cancelled this, let me cancel this now. I've cancelled it. All right, I've cancelled it, and I'm going to Prior's live. This is, 2K's live. This is 2K's live, and I want to go back to Prior's live, and I cancelled it. So look at, I'm canceling it now, and I'm coming back to Prior's live. So you can see that the transition is a bit delayed, unlike when you minimize it and then you go back to Prior's live, you go back to 2K's live. So these are the tricks that you just want to know. All right, so apart from this, I'm going to give us more tricks in future on how you can actually enjoy your CryptoBox reward from all of these lives that you are in. All right, I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, make comment also, hit the notification bell to get more videos like this in the future, and we'll be telling you more. So like I said, I'm going to show us more tricks in future, and don't forget what I said earlier. In future, I'm speaking into the future right now. Maybe some investors wants to invest into one of this crypto, and you have acquired so much. You might be so lucky that one of the crypto you got from all of these lives, that investor invested in it so hugely, and then you make so much money for yourself. So why don't you want to just jump in and enjoy this? All you just need to do is have data, make sure your battery is on point on your phone, and then just keep clicking on the boxes. All right, without much further ado, thank you guys for listening. I'll see you next time.